Welcome, Alex, to the lecture of general science. And our recent topic is classification of animals. We know very well that animals have been grouped into five types: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, which we have discussed in our previous lessons. Now we have birds at number 4. So fourth group of animals, after doing their classification, we have birds. Now question number 1: what are birds? Answer: flying animals are called birds, or animals which have feathers and beaks are called birds. So these are two definitions about birds which are very simple, that flying animals are known as birds, and even those animals which can't fly also known as birds, which have feathers and beaks. There are also some birds which cannot fly but have feathers and beaks. So such birds are also known as, such animals also known as birds. We will discuss these two themes in our today's lesson. Okay, at question number 2, write about the body structure of the birds. And we are going to discuss about the body structure of a bird. So which is very simple. Their bones are hollow. Hollow means empty. Hollow means empty from inside, like a pipe of water which is empty from inside. Such things are known as hollow. Their bones are hollow, thus their weight is less. When they have hollow bones, this make their weight less, which make the flight of birds easy. Along with lungs, they have air sacs. Through lungs, they definitely breathe. Now, what are air sacs? Air sacs are sacs means bags. Sacs means bags. So air sacs means bags of airs. So birds also have bags of air in their body, which are which get full during their flight, like a full balloon with air can easily float in the air. In the same way, when their air sacs or air bags are full with air, this also make their flight easier in the air. At question number 3, how do birds move? Our third question is, how do birds move? Birds can birds can fly in the air. This is their moving style. Birds can fly in the air to move from one place to another. They used to fly in the air. Some birds can swim. Some birds can swim in the water, like duck. Duck is also a bird which can swim in the water. Now, question number 4, which are running birds? Some birds are running birds, but they can't fly. So, which are running birds? Some birds cannot fly. Some birds cannot fly and are called running birds. Can't fly and are known as running birds, like kiwi and ostrich. Kiwi and ostrich are running birds which can't fly. The question number 5, do birds lay eggs? All birds lay eggs. Yes, all birds lay eggs. Question number 6. Which birds have webbed feet? There are some birds which have webbed feet. The birds that live in water have webbed feet, like duck. Duck has webbed feet which help them to swim in the water. Webbed feet means feet like the oars. Now, what are oars? Oars are such sticks which help a boat to swim. Do external temperature affect birds? The body temperature of birds does not depend upon the external temperature. Now, this is here about the birds. This is change. This is change. As we have discussed in reptiles, in fishes and amphibians, that they depend, their temperature depends upon the temperature of the environment. But this is change. The body of temperature of bird does not depend upon the external temperature, means upon the upon the temperature of their environment. So this is change. Give some examples of birds. Sparrow, pigeon, kiwi, rooster, dove, parrot, and ostrich are examples of birds. Sparrow, pigeon, kiwi, rooster, dove, parrot, and ostrich. These are the examples of birds. Okay, question number 9. Which one is the largest flying bird? Which one is the largest flying bird? The largest flying bird is eagle. This is eagle which lives on high trees or rocks. Which lives on high trees or rocks. Question number 10. Which is the smallest bird? Which is the smallest bird? Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Hummingbird. The smallest bird is hummingbird. Question number 11. Name the hunter bird. Hawk is a hunter bird. Hawk is a hunter bird. Question number 12. Where do penguins live? Penguin is a bird that lives on snow. Penguin is a bird that lives on snow. Where do woodpeckers live? Woodpeckers live in the holes that they make in tree trunk. Woodpeckers live in the holes that they make in a tree trunk. Question number 14. How are birds different from reptiles? Now here we are going to differentiate between birds and reptiles. The body temperature of birds does not depend on the temperature of external environment. So they remain active round the year. This is the reason that the body temperature of birds does not depend on the temperature of the environment. So these things remain the birds active round the year. They show parental care. Birds also show parental care. They make nests to live. They migrate from one place to other. So in this way, in this way, the birds are different from reptiles, that their body temperature does not depend upon the temperature of the external environment, and this thing keeps them active around the year. And they also show parental care, and they also migrate from one place to another, and they also make their homes like nests. Question number 15. What is an aviary? An aviary. A bird park is called an aviary. A bird park is called an aviary. Aviary means sparrow house. Aviary means this word meaning is sparrow house means this is a house where a number of birds are kept, and its third largest aviary is in my country Pakistan, situated at Rawal Lake, Rawalpindi. Okay, this is all from today's lecture, and I hope that you will be fine. And there will be a PDF file too, which will be sent with this video, which have instructions inside it. And I instruct you to do your work and give an assignment regularly in order to achieve maximum learning